Okay, so this is Kate, who's probably a bit tired, so we've just had a very busy third day on the permanent makeup starter course. Obviously, Kate, you came a couple months ago, or a few months back, to do the initial training, and then obviously the live models, because the restrictions have been put back till now. But you've actually done your first ever clients today.
I have, yes.
So this morning we had a brow client in, someone that we've never actually seen before, never had a treatment done before, and obviously you probably, like a lot of students, were anticipating not even touching the first client, just maybe watching. But you actually did do quite a bit of the first client. And how was your first ever brow model?
Yeah, it sort of all falls into place really, because from the initial training through to coming back and doing this, and in between in Katy's videos,
yes,
practicing.
Was it actually on that note, was it quite useful to have a few months just to sort of practice and have the online tutorials and stuff as well?
Yeah, I think I'm very ready to be back to do the practical side of it, because I've been doing the theory and practicing at home and everything else for months, so now is the right time, and so I just wanted to do what we were doing today really, and being able to see Katy doing it, and it felt comfortable with her passing it to me to then carry on and do some work and everything else like that. So it does feel right now. I must admit, I wonder how it would feel to know it was 1, 2, 3, 4, and then all that information.
Literally the next day, straight on to
I'm not sure how that would feel now, because I've had time to digest it all and do it. So.
Exactly. Well, there's two options of doing it nowadays, isn't it? Because of COVID, we sort of ended up splitting courses into 2 sections, and it's been a bit of a a transformation for a lot of people, because it seemed to have worked out quite well for a lot of people.
I think so. It's made me feel ready to do it. Like I've been keen to come back and do this now. So even though it's really nerve-wracking, Katy has got a really nice approach to training, so you feel confident, calm, relaxed in doing it. So it just feels very natural, and then I think the clients feel that way as well. So it doesn't feel particularly strange to do it, even though I've never done it before. Yeah, well, okay, that's always good. And then obviously we had a little break for lunch, get a bit of fresh air, and then back in, and we had another lady, this time another lady we've never seen before, but she'd had permanent makeup many, many years ago elsewhere, and she had brows and liner doing. So how was it working, like doing 2 treatments, I suppose? It was good to see a different type of eyebrow that you're doing, so covering up previous eyebrows as such in the pigment. And the eyeliner is always very strange to do.
Well, when you're not used to touching people's faces and working close to them.
But you know, with Katy and the tuition and guidance through it all, it just feels quite natural to do, and you just take it at your own pace, and you can just go in and help do some bits, or you can take control of it, and Katy's there, so you feel safe, and I think the client feels very safe as well. There's a lot of trust going on. So.
Well, also, and I suppose that just is emphasised by the client that just left having brows and liner the first time here. She ended up wanting to book in 2 other treatments, plus her daughter, plus her granddaughter, and I don't think everyone she knew.
I think she didn't. I think she enjoyed the experience, which you think is very bizarre, because obviously you're so close to the eye and everything else like that. But for her, the treatment was exactly what she wanted, and she was very comfortable throughout the process, and it was relatively quick, I'd say, to do for her. So even though she's working with Katy and then a student, it was a good result.
Excellent. And also, I suppose it goes to show that it's not just about the treatment, it is about the experience, the fact that someone can come and actually really enjoy the whole experience as well.
Yeah, definitely.
Excellent, brilliant. Well, you'll be doing it very soon on your own models and case studies and clients, over the coming weeks and months. And obviously, great, third day and a long day, but very rewarding, hopefully, and we'll look forward to catching up how you finish up tomorrow.
Yeah, brilliant.
Brilliant. Cheers, Kate.